Hello everyone, welcome to this brief introduction to Power BI, Microsoft Powerful Business Analytical Tools. What is a Power BI? Power BI is a suite of business analytics tools that deliver insights throughout your organization. It connects to hundreds of data sources, simplifies data preparation and drive ad hoc analysis. Key features of Power BI. First, data visualization. Create interactive reports and dashboards. Second, data connectivity. Connect to various data sources like Excel, SQL Server, and cloud services. Third, collaboration. Share insight with your team through the Power BI services. Fourth, AI integration. Leverage built-in AI capabilities for deeper insights. How it works. First, connecting, gathering data from multiple sources. Second, transforming, clean and model the data. Third, visualizing, create a stunning visual and reports. Fourth, sharing, publish and share insight with others. Benefit of using Power BI. First, enhance decision making, make data driven decisions. Second, time saving, automated data processing. Third, scalability. Adapt as per your data needs grow. Fourth, accessibility. Access report from anywhere on the any device. Conclusion. Power BI empowers organization to turn data into actionable insights, fostering a data-driven culture. Start transforming your business with Power BI today. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit powerbi.microsoft.com and start your journey towards insightful analytics.